So we'll be working on this Canon EOS 6D, and the problem with this unit is the SD card socket assembly. When we go to put the SD card in, the lock is gone. The customer said a piece of plastic broke off. While I was looking through there, I could see something sitting in there. Anyway, with a bit of poking around, we managed to pull it out. The cornering of the SD card. Now, if we put the memory card in, we can get it to click in. Okay, I've got most of the camera back together. All the major things are all plugged in, and we'll give it a test. Okay. 3 shots in black, 3 shots in white.